Well, we've got one for you, a kneeling bench that comes in different prints, and today we have it for you at a sale price. 5 payments of $9. I remember when we launched this. Roxanne and I were here. It was literally selling out of colors every 2 seconds. Why? Because quite frankly, Ultimate Innovations makes everything better. This holds a nice 250-pound capacity, and there's a really nice cushioned seat that also turns into a great kneeling bench for you when you are getting really down deep in your garden. And you get the pockets on the side. M95768 is your item number. Now we've got 2 different color choices or pattern choices. We've got our polka dots right over there. I've also got the floral right over here, and the floral is really pretty. And of course, they're both done in the blue. But Larry, let's show everyone really how simple yet profound this is.
And Alberti, I have to add, we've done it again.
Yeah.
Because these have been so popular, but what did we do? We are the only company that I know of that added a pattern
Oh, they look so cute.
to the bench. But face it, whether you're gardening, whether you're fishing, camping, maybe you're tailgating, we all get tired, and what do?
You sit.
You sit on a bucket.
Yeah.
Is that comfortable? Do you want to sit on this, or do you want to sit on this?
Well, by the way, it's also the perfect height. So for somebody like myself, this is about what? Like this is like almost like 16, 17 inches off the ground.
Right.
And what's really nice is, again, holds your weight, holds your capacity. But
And
when
this,
you want,
this is the but wait, there's more.
you
If
turn it
you
around
want
like this.
to garden and you want to kneel, you simply turn it over. But Alberti, look how this is designed. You take the handles and you can lean and support yourself down onto
That's
the
great.
pad. And this is commercial grade foam.
Oh.
This is 23 inches wide, so you have plenty of room. You can simply rinse it off if
Yep.
it gets dirty. Steel construction. But Alberti, think about it. We live in Pennsylvania. I like to weed and garden early in the morning. Do I want to go down on the
No.
cold, damp ground, maybe the rocks, the mulch bed, or do I want complete comfort? And again, with this design, when you want to stand up, all you do is grab the handles
and you push
yourself
and
up.
it helps you get up.
And plus, look at this. It folds absolutely flat. So it's easy to carry, easy to store. You can take it anywhere, even to watch your grandkids play sporting events.
So I just want to show you, there's a little handle right on each side. You just kind of pull that in, and then these can come forward just like that.
Right.
And that's how easy it is to fold this. And now you can take that on the go with you. You always have a seat. You know, I know a lot of people, like my parents used to come to every single one of my baseball games.
Oh, of course.
And my basketball games. I mean, the poor people had to like sit there through like, you know, me in the outfield. But what's really nice is that like parents bring seats like this to those games to watch the kids, right? Because they don't want to carry
Absolutely.
everything around. You're seeing over here, maybe you're doing an outdoor project, a crafting project, a DIY project.
Camping,
Yeah.
boating, tailgating.
So all of those are places where you need a seat, and trust me, we all get tired. We all need to sit down at some point.
You know, we have to. You know, when I was 18, my parents used to tell me, "Slow down, slow down." Now my doctor says, "Slow down. You need to slow down."
Yeah.
So trust me, I use this whether I'm kneeling, whether I'm sitting, anywhere I want to take it. And Alberti, we forgot to mention.
Yeah.
You are getting this canvas little bag that slips right over the side with 4 pockets. So you can take your phone, your water bottle, a pair of gardening gloves, anything that you need with you, you can take conveniently, easily, and have it right at your fingertips. And again, you simply go down to that commercial grade foam, and you have a nice way to garden. Because face it, if we're not comfortable when we're doing our chores,
We're not doing them.
we're not doing them.
Yeah, that's
so
the
you
truth.
might as well have a nice, comfortable way to kneel, but also when you want to, just simply flip it around quickly and easily. And even with these handles, you can give yourself support to sit down nice and easy
You know,
and firm.
it really is sturdy and comfortable and very supportive. You know, I'm not like, you know, worried about like, you know, am I too heavy for
It
this or
doesn't
anything like that?
wobble.
No, it doesn't wobble. Here's what you want to do. You want to pick it up in the pattern of your choice. It's the first year that I've seen anybody do this. You
Aren't
know,
they
previously
beautiful?
we've had different colors, but now you can choose the polka dots in the blue, or you can choose the floral. And either way, you're getting something fresh that you can look forward to when you are doing those chores in the garden. M95768 is your item number. You know, we've got a lot of the best garden helpers in our show.
Yes,
right? We've got the Dirty Digger still coming up. We had our hose nozzle. Those are essentials, but so is this. Because this is one of those things that I think you'll use even more. You'll keep it in the back seat of the car, or you keep it in the trunk of the car and you'll use it everywhere.
And here's my friend Roxanne De Palma, who uses this all the time.
I'm just going to go down here.
We can all sit and talk comfortably.
I'm 64 years old, soon to be 65, Alberti.
Okay.
I love to garden.
Yes.
I mean, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. Yep, my back hurts, my legs hurt, but I love to garden, guys. And this is why I love this garden bench, because it assists me to get up. The reviews on this are through the roof. But what I love most of all, if I'm working, I have a lot of container gardens. I have a lot of just potted gardens, and this is what I love.
Comfort in the garden.
It's easy on my knees, and then it gets me up. I don't have to get it up.
I love that.
All right.
All right, so listen, here are your color choices. You can choose either the floral or you can choose the polka dots. Today you get it home for $9 on Easy Pay. M95768 is your item number there. All right, so listen, coming up in 15 minutes, we've got the Dirty Digger. Listen, this is one of the most iconic products that we have.